In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set processing times on Etsy listings. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. This ensures you land on the official site and keeps your workflow clean. Click the first result to head straight to Etsy's homepage. Once you're there, log into your account with your usual credentials so you have access to your shop tools. Next, click your account in the top navigation and open your account settings. This is a quick way to make sure you're signed into the right shop and that everything looks correct before making changes that affect your listings. When you're ready, navigate to your shop manager. This is your dashboard for everything related to your shop, and it's where you'll set up your processing times. Inside Shop Manager, go to Settings, then click Shipping Settings. Processing times live here because they determine how long it takes you to prepare an order before it ships, which directly influences delivery estimates customers see at checkout. In the Shipping Settings area, look for the section called Your Processing Profiles and click Create New. A processing profile lets you define a reusable time frame you can apply to one or many listings, saving you time and keeping your shop consistent. You'll be prompted to choose whether the items in this profile are made to order or ready to ship. Choose Made to Order if you create or customize items after a purchase comes in, like personalized jewelry or print-on-demand pieces. Choose Ready to Ship if the items are already finished and simply need packing and a label when an order arrives. This distinction helps set realistic expectations for buyers. Now use the drop-down menu to select a time range that accurately reflects how long it takes you to prepare an order for shipping. Etsy offers options from one business day to several weeks. Pick a time frame that's honest and reliable. Remember that business days typically exclude weekends and holidays. If you rely on suppliers, need drying or curing time, or expect seasonal spikes, build in a small buffer so you can consistently meet your promises. Setting an overly aggressive time can lead to late shipments and poor customer experiences, while a realistic window helps maintain trust. When everything looks good, click Create. This saves your new processing profile so you can apply it to the appropriate listings. Accurate processing times help Etsy calculate delivery estimates and set clear customer expectations, which can reduce messages and improve reviews. You can always return here to create additional profiles for different product lines or update time frames as your workflow changes.